Do your ice cubes have a funny taste or odor to them? Here are the top 5 reasons how to eliminate that.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
If your ice is not used frequently, you want to make sure that all of your food is in plastic sealed containers and/or freezer bags, because the odors from uncovered food can be absorbed into the ice cubes and make the ice cubes taste funny or smell bad. Next, make sure your ice bin is clean. Sometimes you can spill foods when you're taking them out of the freezer section, and it can contaminate the ice cubes and make them taste bad. Next, the water source coming into the refrigerator could be an issue. Sometimes minerals or other contaminants in the water could make the ice cubes taste funny. If this happens, you're going to have to install an inline water filter to eliminate these contaminants and make the ice cubes taste much better. Another thing you can check: if you go on vacation, or if you're out of town, or you just don't frequently use your ice cubes, remove the ice bin, dump it into the sink, and put it back into the freezer to make fresh cubes. And the next item: if you just purchased a new refrigerator, or you just had your unit serviced and had a new ice maker installed, it's always recommended to dump the first container of ice. Sometimes these new ice makers have a coating on there that make them taste funny. So to eliminate that, dump your first container of ice. If this video helped you, like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you on the next one.